Hello everyone and welcome to Tooltip Tuesday. Today we are looking at the measurement of grinding wheels with an external measuring device. If you have a measuring device or a presetter, for example from Solar, you can measure your wheels and wheel packs on it and simply transfer the actual data to the wheel editor via data transfer. This simplifies setup, saves you having to type in the measured values, and also eliminates a source of error due to transposed figures. All you need is a measuring device with the option to output data in the Anker XML format. The XML file exported by the measuring device is imported into the wheel editor using the Qualify Measurement File option from the menu. In the following dialog, we select the folder that contains the file exported by the measuring device. Depending on the settings, you need to change to the XML format. As soon as we selected the file and close the dialog with OK, the grinding wheel is updated with the actual values. The current values are also displayed in the details. If the measuring device has the Anker Solar interface installed, the target values can even be sent to the measuring device. This eliminates the need to create data on the Solar, and the target values and measuring points are taken directly from the Anker machine. Here we use the Qualify External Machine option from the menu to first export the measurement request and store it on a network drive. You can either measure the complete wheel pack parameters or activate individual parameters for measurement. In our case, we want to measure the complete package. In the next step, this file can be used to measure the wheel pack on the measuring device. As soon as the actual data is available, it can be imported again. The target package is also adjusted and updated here right after the import was done. I hope this tip makes it easier for you to qualify your wheels in the future. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment on this video. See you soon for the next Tooltip Tuesday.